war.
All we got is us. It's way too dangerous.
All these soldiers arresting anybody they want. They don't care nothing about our community. Where's Black Lightning?
There is a clear and present Markovian threat. Consider this protective custody for your good and the greater good of the country.
How much worse does it have to get, Glenn?
I'm gonna get out of here. Then I'm gonna kill you with everything you care about.
My patience is running thin. You don't want to see me when I lose my patience.
I'd like to see that, just not now.
We are prisoners.
I wanted to let you know that your parents will not be returning home tonight.